the Eye Glow Day. We'll start this Eye Glow Day with a wonderful product, Eye Glow. Today I would like to speak about two important things about Eye Glow. One is that which is relevant to the current scenario, which is nothing but using your protective gears against the COVID-19. And the second point is the other important ingredient of Eye Glow, which is called as grape seed extract. I would like to repeat these 2 points again. The first thing is the protective gears during the COVID-19 crisis. The second thing is the grape seed extract, which is one of the important ingredients which is present in our product Eye Glow, which contains the major active molecule called as resveratrol. So I hope you got my point. Let us start with this important description on Eye Glow, especially with respect to the protective gears that every one of us is using during this crucial lockdown period, my dear friends. See, Eye Glow, as you know, is a holistic health support product. It is a nutri-cosmetic product, which is a holistic health, skin health support product, my dear friends. So, as I told you, skin is the largest organ of the human body, and wherever I'm trying to show the face, please don't, it doesn't mean that I'm just talking about the face or the product is only about the face. No, it is all about your skin. Wherever the skin is there in your body, automatically Eye Glow is a holistic health product which will help as a health supplement, a general health supplement, a wellness supplement for your entire skin, my dear friends. Well, as you know, all our products are frontline immune boosters, as I've told you many times. And in fact, Eye Glow is also a very good immune booster for your skin health. See, you should always promote the product in this way. It is a very good immune booster for your skin health. So this is what Eye Glow is all about. Well, as I told you, the most important thing that most of us are forgetting these days, even though the government has made it mandatory and it is a very important measure, all of us are using the masks, we are using the gloves, we are using the sanitizers often and again. Well, they are very, very important for getting rid of the viruses. But at the same point of time, are we really thinking about our skin health? What is the side effect of these gears, the protective gears that we are wearing, again about our skin health, how the adverse effects are actually happening? That is a very important thing. See, one of the important articles which appeared in the Times of India, dated 13th of May, the article said something like this: because of the continuous use of the protective gears, especially the masks, the gloves, the sanitizers, and the PPE kits that the corona warriors are actually wearing, what exactly is happening to your skin is, we are developing skin rashes, peeling of the palms and soles. In addition to this, fever is also happening because of continuous wearing of these fabrics, which is made up of some synthetic chemicals. The lips are peeling, the inflammation of the eyes, all these things are happening because of the wearing of these protective gears. See, my intention is not to tell you not to wear these protective gears. Please continue wearing them, but also take care of your skin by the use of Eye Glow, my dear friends. Why I am telling you this is, even during the post-COVID lockdown period, see, people are definitely used to these kinds of protective gears. They're using this, wearing these gears most of the times. So people will definitely affect their skin health because of prolonged use of these gears. So what I suggest you is, this is a very important promotional tip for all of you. Even during the post-COVID lockdown, people will definitely continue to wear the masks. So their skin health is important. Protect their skin health by using our wonderful product, Eye Glow, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, and in fact, 20% of the people, the survey has told in India that 20% of the people across the country have developed various skin problems, like the red skin, the patches on the skin, urticaria, which is nothing but the itching on the skin or the allergy, blisters. Blisters have also been found, and even the blood clots have been found because of the wearing of these gadgets, my dear friends. See, that is what I am trying to tell you. Again, I would like to repeat this point. Please continue wearing these gears, but also think about your health by using Eye Glow, my dear friends. This is what exactly your promotion must be. So going ahead, adaptability to Corona Zamana. This is what I tell you. Adaptability to the Corona Zamana. We are in the Corona Zamana right now. How do you adapt yourself? How do you adapt your skin to the Corona Zamana, my dear friends? Well, the masks, the gloves, the PPEs or the sanitizers what we are using are completely made up of chemicals, as everyone knows. Sanitizers are usually made up of alcohol. It is made up of isopropyl alcohol sometimes. It is made up of rectified spirit sometimes. It is also made up of sodium hypochlorite sometimes. These are all harsh chemicals on your skin actually, and of us is actually realizing it at this point in time, because we are all fearing about the coronavirus, washing our hands regularly, which is absolutely good. But at the same point of time, are we really thinking about the health of the skin? Most of our hands are becoming dry day by day. One thing that I normally tell in all my events, either it might be KYP or Wings to Wellness, dry skin is always the dangerous situation, my dear friends. Moist skin is always better, but dry skin is always dangerous. And alcohol is a substance which is present in the sanitizer which can dry up your skin. So automatically dry skin poses a lot of threat to your skin, my dear friends. So this is what is exactly the relevance of the skin health, and definitely you can overcome these kinds of generalized skin issues, day-to-day skin issues, by the regular use of eye glow, my dear friends. So this is what exactly is the importance of eye glow. So most of these chemicals which are used either in these fabrics, the masks or the gloves or even the sanitizers that we are using, they irritate the skin. This is very important. They cause skin irritation. Whenever the skin irritation happens, automatically your skin becomes dry, the urticaria or the allergy increases, automatically the skin diseases starts. This is how you can protect the skin by the use of eye glow. Definitely when regular consumption of eye glow happens, one can have protection from all kinds of skin diseases, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, while wearing a mask, what exactly happens to your skin? This is also very important. A mask is nothing but a face covering gear actually. Usually the masks are made up of fabrics. It might also have synthetic, components in them. There are a lot of gadgets which has come inside the mask also. What exactly the mask does to your face? It traps the moisture between the person's face and the fabric. See what exactly happens? Most of us sweat whenever we are wearing a mask. The moisture builds up here. Because of this severe moisture, this is not a routine moisture I am telling, this is some kind of an abnormal moisture. Whenever this abnormal moisture fills up, what exactly happens is the people starts to develop skin breakouts. The skin actually becomes dry and it breaks out. And this causes a condition called as dermatitis. Dermatitis is nothing but inflammation of the skin. Whenever the skin inflames, you will have severe pain and breakouts of the skin usually happen, and itchy skin rashes usually develop. The rashes usually develop followed by severe itching. People start to itch it. So since many people are exercising with masks these days, you can see in the parks, after the lockdown is getting open now, people are actually jogging or walking in the parks and exercising a lot and sweating a lot, and this particular sweat and excessive dirt and oil, they actually collect in between your mask and the face, causing all these problems across your chin, your jaws and the mouth area. This is how exactly these things can cause problems to your skin health, my dear friends. But again, I want to repeat this. Please continue wearing this until the corona lockdown is completely over, because this is actually a protective gear which can protect you against a dreadful disease like coronavirus, but at the same point of time also take care of your skin. Well, one more important article I want to tell you which appeared in the New Indian Express on June the 3rd, 2020. Sanitizers which mainly contain alcohol as a base in them or sodium hypochlorite, which is 1%, which is also used for fumigating and other sterilization purposes. Frequent use of these sanitizers has become mandatory. So everybody knows that everybody is using such kind of sanitizers on a daily basis. But now the dermatologists or the skin specialists have come into the action finally. Now they are declaring or they are giving statements on the social media, on the media, the print media or wherever it is, stating that these things can have long-term effects on your skin. This is what not I am saying, this is what the dermatologists or the major skin specialists across India, they are considering using these gadgets or chemicals for a longer period of time will have bad impact on the skin in longer periods. Not right now, you might not feel it right now, but during the course of time, you can definitely have this, my dear friends. So going ahead, harmful effect of sanitizers. Dermatologists say something like this. Especially people who have dry skin, they are affected a lot. Suppose fortunately if you have a moist skin or an oily skin, normally people have this false taboo kind of a thing. They say that okay, my skin is always looking oily, बहुत चिपचिपाहट है मेरा skin में. No, that is actually good, my dear friends. It is not a bad situation. Whenever your face, your skin is hydrated or it is moisturized, your skin is the best skin in the world. Suppose if your skin is very dry in nature, without the water content, without hydration, your skin is prone to all kinds of skin diseases and skin damage. So whenever the dry skin is actually excessively washed all the time, it can develop all kinds of wrinkles on the hand. It becomes over dry. And the other important thing that we are using a lot of soaps these days. Soaps also contain a lot of chemicals, my dear friends. They are called as surfactants. So surfactants are those chemicals which can dry up your skin again. It can cause skin irritation. Finally, the skin irritation, what exactly will happen? It will close your pores. Usually your skin has small dots in them called as pores. These pores are very important. Whenever the pores are closed by using these things, automatically the moisture in the skin reduces, your skin absolutely becomes dry, and even the tanning or even the marks on the skin, the pigmentation on the skin also increases, my dear friends. All these things can be prevented if you start using iGlow from today, my dear friends, as a protective general skin health supplement. So please continue wearing your gears, but at the same point of time, please promote iGlow for a very good skin health during this crucial lockdown period and post-COVID lockdown also, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, again, some people are using these gloves actually, the gloves which are latex gloves or rubber gloves. These latex gloves were usually used in the operation theaters before. Nowadays, it has actually become a kind of an advantage, a kind of a requirement or a necessity for the people now to wear these gloves on a regular basis. This gloves contains a powder material inside. Normally, people are using it on a regular basis. Finally, because of using these gloves on a regular basis, the moisture is getting trapped in your hands, which is not a good moisture, a bad moisture again. It is causing wrinkling of your fingers. Finally, the dryness of the hand is happening. People are now complaining of hand dryness. Again, I am telling you, my dear friends, you might not know the bad effects of this right now, but 5 years down the lane, definitely your hands will become dry. That is actually called as a dry hand syndrome. Automatically, you will have lots of cuts, the skin breakouts on the hand, and it will lead to a lot of skin diseases in future, my dear friends. Suppose if you really want to prevent all these skin complications in future, please start using our wonderful product iGlow from today itself and ask your prospects and the customers to use them on a regular basis so that they can prevent all kinds of dreadful skin diseases in years to come, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, I know it is all mandatory to use this particular gadgets right now, but whenever you reach back home, please remove these gadgets, remove your mask, remove your gloves, always wash your hands and face with lukewarm water. Do not use cold water, please use lukewarm water. With the warm water, please rinse your face, rinse your hands so that all this dryness naturally goes off. And however, every one of us is using sanitizers these days which contain a lot of alcohol in them. Please, after using them, after you go back home, return back from your work, please use some natural moisturizers. Natural moisturizers, please apply on your face as well as your hands, especially the moisturizers like coconut oil, olive oil, and please use some natural soaps if you want. Surfactant less soaps, which are natural soaps which might be available in the market. Please do use them, organic soaps, so that less lather will come, but still your hands will be moisturized a lot. This is how you have to take care of your skin on a regular basis, even during the post lockdown period, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, the second important thing that I wanted to speak in today's Facebook session is about another important ingredient in iGlow, which is called as the grapeseed extract. See, if you actually see the packaging of iGlow, you will see the ingredient grapeseed extract, which is mentioned on the back of the pack. Grapeseed extract contains an important molecule called as resveratrol. You might be knowing this. It's one of the important molecules that is actually there as an antioxidant in the market today. Resveratrol is actually called as a proanthocyanin, which is present in the skin and seeds of grapes. It is present in the skin of grapes and seed of grapes. It is present in different kinds of grapes actually. And this is actually considered as one of the best skin antioxidants, my dear friends. So going ahead, this grapeseed market itself has spiked today actually. People have now understood, after the dermatologists or the skin specialists have started speaking about the skin health during the post-COVID lockdown period. Now the natural cosmetic market is on the spike. Now people have understood the point that whenever your skin health is taken care of, automatically the skin diseases will not come in the future. So for that, utilization of natural molecules is a must, my dear friends. Now the market for grapeseed extract, which contains very good resveratrol in it, is increasing like anything, and till 2025 the market is spiking like anything right now. So this is how the grapeseed extract is actually venturing well into the market. People have started to use this, my dear friends. So going ahead, Resveratrol, as you know, is a natural compound which is present in the grape skin as well as the grape seed. It is also present in the grape juice. It is also present in some of the berries and the peanuts also. So resveratrol supplement, what is exactly it does? It maintains the skin health, it maintains skin aging, heart health, cellular health also. And some people who also want to lose weight can also use this resveratrol supplements. But here, in case of eye glow, we are considering the grapeseed extract only as a part of skin health. I hope my point is clear on this. So going ahead, my friends, there are a lot of benefits of resveratrol on skin. See, resveratrol can provide many benefits of skin, especially the antioxidant abilities of resveratrol can retard your skin aging. This is very important. It eliminates your wrinkles, the dark spot reduction. It also fights off the free radicals which are present on the skin. It also protects your skin against sun damage. This is also very important. Sun damage is nothing but the ultraviolet damage. Whenever the ultraviolet rays is falling on your skin, people tend to develop skin cancers. So resveratrol is a natural molecule which is present inside the grape seeds, which can protect your skin against the ultraviolet damage from the sun. So these are all the benefits of resveratrol that we have, my dear friends, and this is what grapeseed extract is all about. I hope you got my point clear. So finally, if I have to tell you about the importance, benefits of eye glow, first and the foremost thing that everyone has to know is during the COVID-19 lockdown period and post-lockdown, we still continue to wear the gears, the protective gears, the mask, the gloves, the sanitizers, the PPE kits. Well, please continue to wear them. But at the same point in time, also see that your skin health is maintained, the skin health is protected, and for this, consumption of eye glow is a very important thing. Please start doing it from today itself. Well, I suggest you this because eye glow is a very important product which can bring about skin lightening. It is also very good anti-aging. It reduces your wrinkles. It moisturizes your skin naturally. It reduces the dark spots. It reduces your blemish. It gives you a radiant complexion or a glow. It also prevents your skin damage. It rejuvenates your skin. Ultimately, it causes liver detox. It detoxifies your liver so that your blood is purified, and automatically it takes care of your holistic skin health. That is, your skin health from head till the toe will be maintained, it will be maintained. A healthy skin tone will be produced at the end of the day by the use of eye glow, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. Well, as you know, eye glow is a product which has to be consumed 15 minutes after you consume your food. Why this is because most of you have asked me this question. Normally the absorption of a nutri-cosmetic product happens well only after you consume this 15 minutes after your food, my dear friends. So before your food, probably the rate of absorption is less and the benefits might be less. So I always suggest you to consume at least 1 to 2 sachets in a day, 15 minutes after your breakfast and 15 minutes after your dinner. So it gives you the complete skin health benefits, my dear friends. So this was what the short topic of eye glow I had to speak today. I hope you have got the knowledge now, the promotional tools which is relevant to the current scenario and the importance of the ingredients which are present in eye glow, my dear friends. So with this, I would like to end this short session. Thanks for your patient listening. And now this is a question answer time again. So today my colleague Mr. Akbar has collected the questions for me. So let me take the last week's questions which were unanswered. So followed by this week's questions, my dear friends. So the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pradeep. Is eye glow helpful for white spots on the skin? See, eye glow is a very important product for, in the pigmentation disorders. I'm just using the word pigmentation disorders here. Pigmentation can be high pigmentation or low pigmentation for that matter. So definitely in different kinds of pigmentation disorders, eye glow can be used safely, my dear friends. So the next question is from Ms. Vandana. Is eye glow beneficial for acne? Absolutely yes, you can consider this product for acne. Can I recommend eye glow to asthma patient? See, again I am telling you this because eye glow is not a product which is positioned for asthma. If the asthma patient is having some kind of a skin issue, definitely eye glow can be suggested there. So the next question that I am seeing here, does eye glow help one who is suffering from psoriasis? Why I want to answer this question again is, I have answered this before, but again I want to repeat this. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease wherein your body itself is fighting against the disease actually. Psoriasis cannot be cured. There is no cure for psoriasis. It can only be controlled or managed. Whenever your immunity is suppressed, automatically the disease suppresses. And it is also dependent on the nature and the atmosphere. When it is very cold outside, these lesions usually flare up. Whenever it is very hot outside, the lesions usually dry out. This is how exactly psoriasis happens, my dear friends. So please use eye pulse or eye glow only as a palliative, only as a product which can control the disease, not curing the disease, my dear friends. Try to understand this particular statement. I hope you have got this statement well. So the next question that I am seeing here is, skin tone can be enhanced by the help of eye glow? Absolutely yes. That is exactly called as skin lightening, making the dark tone into light tone. I am talking about light tone and dark tone. I am not talking about the color. So please beware of my statements again. I am not talking about the color of the skin. I am just talking about the tone of the skin, my dear friends. Making the dark tone, light tone into dark tone, or whatever the tonicity of the skin is. So especially getting the dark tone into light tone is nothing but making the skin glow. That is what exactly it is. So the next question that I am seeing here is, what is the shelf life of eye glow? Suppose if you see the packaging of eye glow, it is clearly mentioned that it is 12 months from the date of manufacture, which is nothing but the expiry date is 1 year, my friends. So how much duration use of eye glow to get the results? As I previously quoted, the wellness products have to be continuously consumed at least for a period of 3 months or 90 days to get its complete benefits, my dear friends. That is how it actually assimilates, it absorbs into the body, so that you will get 100% results, my dear friends. So the next question that I am taking today is, what is the reason behind the intake of eye glow 15 minutes after food? See, I think I've told you this now. It is only because of the absorption of the product. A nutri-cosmetic kind of a product, it is always taken 15 minutes after the food is always for better absorption and assimilation into the body, my dear friend. So, but why eye coffee is actually taken before the food? Most of the anti-diabetic supplements have to be taken half an hour or 15 minutes before your meal. That is the reason why your sugar is actually absorbed, a lot by the product. That is how the products work. It is beneficial for a diabetic product to be positioned always before food, and a skin product 15 minutes after the food, my dear friend. So the last question of the last week that I am taking here is, will eye glow try to clear the pus out of the pimple? See, as I told you about acne is nothing but a pimple actually. Normally what people do is, whenever you have a pimple on your skin, they try to use their nails. They try to prick out the pimples. They use, they use pressure of your fingers so that the pus comes out. Never do this, please. If you touch your nails and if you try to push out the pus, automatically the infections can spread there and the inflammation can happen, and the curing rate or even the lesion, that is what we exactly called as blemish, my dear friends. This is exactly called as blemish. When you try to prick out your pimple, the pus comes out, but the mark remains there. This is exactly called as a blemish, which is an old skin mark. So what I am trying to tell you here is, continuous use of eye glow can definitely help you reduce the inflammation and infection inside the pimple, so that fresh pimples will not arise, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So let me take this week's questions now. So the first question that I am having here is from Mr. Milind. Again, the question is on the psoriasis. I hope the question is clear now. So I'm taking the second question. Does consuming eye glow causes wound on the mouth like trauma? No, absolutely not. Any of the wellness products for that matter initially will undergo a process of detoxification inside the body. Each and every organ or part of the body will undergo this detoxification. Whenever the detoxification happens, automatically you will have some kind of reactions in the body. The reactions can be in the form of pimples. The reaction can be in the form of blisters. The reaction can also be in the form of gastritis, acidity, loose motions, or vomiting. I hope you got my point. All these things are a process of detoxification, are a part of detoxification. So what I suggest you is, whenever anyone is consuming our wellness products, drink a lot of water at least for the first 15 days. Drink about 3.5 to 4 liters of water for the first 15 days, so that you can get rid of this detoxification in a very good way, and the product can be beneficial to your body in a very healthy way, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is, what is the role of eye glow in vitiligo? I hope vitiligo is nothing but leukoderma, which is the white patches which is seen on the skin because of reduction in the melanin levels in the skin. Again, as I am telling you, this is one of the problems which is not having a complete cure. You can only control or manage this problem. I always suggest you to visit a dermatologist for this particular issue. I hope my point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is, can we get some help in getting rid of wrinkles using eye glow? Absolutely yes. Eye glow is a very good product for controlling your wrinkles as well as premature aging. See, wrinkles are normally seen across your eyes. From your eyes, that is the first place where the wrinkles usually appear. We call it as crow's feet. Everybody has seen a bird crow. The crow has a feet. The shape of the crow's feet is actually the shape of the wrinkles. That is how it exactly appears to you. Definitely eye glow is a very good product which can build up the collagen inside your skin, make your skin tight and automatically cut down your wrinkles. This is how eye glow is going to help in the case of wrinkles, my dear friends. So going ahead, can eye glow work on liver damage conditions? See, what I'm trying to tell you here is eye glow is a very good liver detoxification agent because it does detoxification of the liver, by which blood purification happens and finally the skin health happens because of this. It is not a product which is directed towards kind of liver issues or something. No, it is only for the skin issues, but through the liver, eye glow is a product which is acting. So I am taking the next question. Can we get fair skin using eye glow? As I told you, my dear friends, it is always about the tonicity of the skin or the tone of the skin. It is always about dark tone and light tone of the skin, and please never use the words white and fair, because the using of the word fair is not fair actually. As per the government regulations, you should not use it. There are a lot of things called as Drugs and Magical Remedies Act, wherein you cannot claim more than what is actually proved or substantiated in the product, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. The last question of the day I'm taking today from Miss Asia. How is eye glow helpful in fungal diseases? As I told you, eye glow is a very good detoxifying product which can detoxify the bacteria also, the skin related bacteria also, as well as the fungi. So definitely eye glow is a very good product which can be a protective health supplement against the fungal diseases. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you very much for posing all your questions. Suppose if your questions are left unanswered, I'll be happy to answer them on the next Thursday, which will be another eye glow day. So thank you very much for that, posing your questions. I hope your questions are getting better and better day by day, and I really appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook Live series, my dear Vivites. So this is I hope the points are clear to you, and especially today's session of eye glow, the using of the protective gears for the coronavirus post lockdown situations and during the lockdown also is a very, very important promotional tool, a very good scientifically validated tool for you people to promote the product in the market. So with this, I would like to end this very good session of eye glow today. Thanks for your participation again. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at Viva Tower, Indus Viva's corporate office at Bangalore. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.